Hello Support Manager. Let me show you how to get started with LuidBiz CRM Support Manager module. First, log into the system using your email ID as the username and your password. So once you sign in, you'll see the home page of LuidBiz. There, click on the support icon and you will be in the dashboard of the CRM Support Manager module. The first thing that you need to do as a support manager is set up your teams. So on the left hand navigation menu, click on Teams and then click on Add New Team. Here, the fields in the green section are mandatory and the fields in the blue section are optional. So first select the company, because you might have access to multiple companies. Select the company with which you would like to attach this particular support team. Enter the name of the team. And say whether you would want to be the leader. Indicate whether you would want to be the leader of the team or not. If you would want to make someone else the leader, let's say you want to be the leader. You say yes, and you can add a support team description if you want, but that's completely optional, and then click on Save Changes. So once you are done, you can go to View Teams and see that this team has been added. First level support for cell phones. You click on the name of the team. You can view the details, the team leader, and so on. Now go back to the list. At any point of time you get stuck, you can click on the audio icon out here and let the audio guide play for you, or you can click on the video icon out here and view the video guides. And of course, if you want to read the text guides, you can view the text guides by clicking here. And if you want to change the company with which this particular support team is attached, click on the gears icon, click on the building icon and change the company. Now suppose we are concerned about this particular company, and this is the team that we have just added, first level support. Now I can make modifications to that team by clicking on the edit team icon against that name of the team out here. I can change the leader by clicking on this change leader button out here, and I can put team members in my team by clicking on manage team, and I select the people whom I would like in my team out here. And for multiple selections, I need to hold down the control key of the keyboard while making my selections with the mouse, and then click on Save Changes. Now you see that this particular group has these 5 people as members and you are the leader. So now the team has been formed. The next setting that you need to do are these 4 particular settings, and in the order they appear out here. First, you need to add the escalation rules. These would be the rules that the support team, the escalation rules that the support team would follow when they get a ticket, and if they're unable to reply to that ticket, if they're unable to attend to the ticket, or if it's beyond their capacity, they can apply the escalation rule out here, which you will be defining by clicking on Add New Escalation Rule. The next thing that you would be defining is Add New SLA Policy. This would be the SLA policies that would be applicable to your customers. So once you add the SLA policies, you can say because when the customers submit their support tickets, they would be choosing a priority, whether it's emergency or high or medium or low. So depending on that, you would be setting the policy, what would be the response time and the resolution time, and the system would follow that for all your support tickets. The next would be the FAQ settings. Now in LuidBiz, what we do is, in order to minimize the number of support cases or support tickets coming to you, or to minimize the number of support calls coming to you, we let you preload a set of FAQs for your customers, which they can view via the customer portal module. Now the settings for that particular knowledge base or the FAQs, you can set it out here by clicking on Add FAQ Settings, and you can define what would be the rules for that FAQ setting for a set of customers. The fourth setting that you need to do is add the support levels. You can have different support levels for different customers. You can say, like, for each support level, how many number of queries they can post per year, and so on and so forth. And if it is more, you could charge them. So you can define your support level policies out here. So once you make these 4 different settings, now you're all set to actually use the support system. To add a new support ticket, either you can add it from here, or your customer support executive can add a new support ticket by clicking on Add Support Ticket from their interface, or the customers can add their support tickets from their customer portal by clicking on Submit a Ticket. Now, once a ticket is submitted, it's all going to come to you in New Support Tickets. So if you click on New Support Tickets, you can view the list of support tickets that have newly come in and that have not yet been assigned to any of your support team members. So once you see this, you can just click on the Assign button out here and assign the ticket to any of your team members who is in the queue and who doesn't have enough support tickets to take care of. So that's how you get started, and it's pretty easy. So first, to recollect again, first you would be defining the teams, adding members to the teams. Second thing, you would be doing the settings, these 4 settings: escalation rules, SLA policies, FAQ settings, and support levels in this particular order in which they appear out here. And then the next thing that you need to do is you need to go to support tickets, click on new support tickets, and you will see the new support tickets coming in. All you need to do is keep on assigning the tickets to your different team members. And of course, you can view the reports by clicking on the report link on the left hand navigation menu, and then you will have a bunch of reports relating to this relating to your team by ticket type, priority, etc., and the activity reports of yourself. So this is all you need to know about the support manager module and how to get started with it. As far as how to manage the tickets are concerned, we'll talk about it in a later video. Thank you for watching.